Welcome to your ultimate guide on producing safe and nutritious fish food locally. Whether you're a fish farmer or an aquarium enthusiast, this video will teach you how to save money and ensure your fish get the best nutrition. First, why make your own fish food? It's cost-effective, eco-friendly, and allows you to tailor the ingredients to your fish's needs. Homemade fish food can also improve the health and growth of your fish while reducing waste. Fish need a balanced diet of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. For example, carnivorous fish require protein-rich foods like fish meal or shrimp shells, while herbivorous fish thrive on spirulina and leafy greens. Here's what you'll need to get started. Organic ingredients like fish meal, vegetables, or spirulina, plus basic tools like a blender, mixing bowls, and a pellet shaper. With just these supplies, you can create homemade fish food tailored to your needs. Now, let's make a high-protein recipe for carnivorous fish. Mix 1 cup of fish meal, half a cup of shrimp shells, and 2 tablespoons of fish oil. Add an egg as a binder and half a cup of wheat flour. Shape this mixture into pellets. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes and dry them for 48 hours. It's that easy. For herbivorous fish, try a vegetable-based recipe. Blend 1 cup of boiled spinach, half a cup of spirulina powder, and 1 mashed carrot. Add rice flour as a binder. Bake the mixture into a thin sheet and break it into flakes once dry. To ensure safety, always use fresh ingredients. Avoid harmful additives and thoroughly dry your feed to prevent mold. Store your homemade fish food in airtight containers and feed in small amounts to keep your fish healthy and the water clean. Creating fish food locally is simple, sustainable, and rewarding. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and share your own tips in the comments. Let's build a community of sustainable fish enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and happy fish feeding.